In this video, I'll guide you through the process of blocking the Revolut card. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. You can also sign up for a free Revolut account using my affiliate link in the description below. You might want to block your Revolut card if it's lost, stolen, or if you suspect unauthorized transactions. Blocking the card helps prevent further misuse and protects your account. To begin, simply open the Revolut app on your mobile device. Once you're on the home screen, look towards the top right corner of the screen and tap on the card icon. This will direct you to a page with different card options. From there, select the single-use option. Doing so will take you to the settings page, where you'll be able to manage various features related to your card. On the settings page, scroll down until you reach the bottom. Here, you'll find the option labeled Terminate Card. When you tap on this option, the app will ask you for confirmation to ensure that you want to proceed with this action. Once you confirm, you'll be presented with two options: Freeze Card Temporarily and Terminate Card. If you choose the Terminate Card option, it will permanently disable your Revolut card, meaning it can no longer be used for transactions. Keep in mind that if you simply wish to prevent the card from being used temporarily, the Freeze Card Temporarily option would be more suitable. However, if you're certain you no longer want to use the card, selecting Terminate Card will permanently block it, and you won't be able to use it again unless you request a new one. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Don't forget to use my affiliate link in the description to sign up for a free Revolut account. Thanks for watching.